Welcome back to this YouTube channel where we'll give you information about profitable agriculture in Africa, most especially Nigeria. This video is all about farm record keeping. Farm records are essential components of an effective farm management system. They encompass the systematic documentation and organization of farm data, daily farm operation, and events related to various aspects of agricultural operations. Farm records provide farmers with accurate and reliable information, and it enables them make informed decisions, improve productivity, and enhance overall farm efficiency. This short video aims to highlight the significance of farm records, their various types, uses, implications, as well as the factors and constraints associated with keeping or not keeping them. We will also talk about the advantages of digital farm record systems and how it can boost your production. If you like videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on post notifications so that you will be notified anytime we drop a new video. Farm records tend to serve multiple purposes and offer several benefits to farmers. They are useful for financial management. They are records of income, expenses, investment, and loans. They help farmers to monitor their financial health, analyze profitability, and also make effective budgetary decisions. Farm records can also be useful for crop and livestock management because they can be useful to detail records of planting, harvesting, fertilization, irrigation, pest control, and animal husbandry practices that enables farmers to track performance, identify trends, and improve production outcomes. They also help in inventory management because by maintaining records of seed stock, feed, equipment, and other resources, in doing this, they help to optimize inventory levels, minimize waste, and also ensure timely replenishment. Farm records also help in market analysis because they assist in historical records of market prices, sales volumes, and customer preferences. They basically aid in identifying market trends, forecasting demand, and devising marketing strategies. Lastly, they also assist with compliance and certification because accurate farm records assist in meeting regulatory requirements, maintaining organic certification, and assessing financial assistance programs. Let's talk about the types of farm records that we have. This can be classified into different categories based on the specific information which they capture. Now, the difference can exist from one farm to another or even within different animal species in one farm. It is at the discretion of the farmer to keep an inventory for any aspect of the farming business they deem fit. But the common types of records which we have basically include the financial records. The financial records play a vital role in managing the financial health and sustainability of a farm. Keeping accurate and up-to-date financial records allow farmers to monitor income and expenses, track profitability, make informed financial decisions, and comply with tax and regulatory requirements. Now, as a matter of subsets under the financial records, we have the income records, expense records, cash flow records, balance sheets, profit and loss statements, as well as the tax records. We also have the market records. These include information on market prices, the sales volume, customer preferences, marketing strategy, and distribution channels. Market records can provide insights on market behavior and consumer preferences, which are necessary marketing indices for any conscious business. Sales records document all transactions involving the sale of farm products such as the crop, the livestock, the egg, the milk, or processed goods. These records are essential for tracking revenue, monitoring sales performance, and assessing the profitability of specific products or the marketing channels. They also facilitate financial planning, tax reporting, and compliance with regulation. Examples of sales record include the product sales log, the customer record, as well as the market analysis. The next type of record is the farm inventory. This type of inventory provides an overview of all assets, the supplies, and equipment which are on the farm. These records are essential for managing stock levels, monitoring asset depreciation, and planning for replacement or repairs. Accurate inventory records enable farmers to make informed purchasing decisions, avoid shortages, and optimize resource allocation. Examples of farm inventory records include the crop inventory, the livestock inventory, as well as the equipment inventory. Next, we have the input records. Now, this documents the resources used to support farm operations, including the seeds, the fertilizers, the pesticides, the fuel, and other supplies. Tracking input is crucial for assessing costs, evaluating effectiveness, and ensuring compliance with regulations. By maintaining accurate input records, farmers can monitor resource usage, optimize input application rate, and make informed decisions about input selection and sourcing. Examples of input records include the seed and plant materials records, the fertilizers and nutrient application records, pesticide and herbicide application records. Next, we have the production records. which provide a comprehensive overview of farm output, including crop yields, livestock performance, or the processed goods. These records help farmers evaluate productivity, identify trends, and assess the success of different production practices or techniques. Now, production records also support forecasting, benchmarking, as well as performance improvement. Other types of records that are available include the labor records, which has subsets such as the time logs, the task management assignments, as well as the training, as well as certification. There are a number of factors which also affect farm record keeping, which include the farm size as well as the complexity. Technological accessibility is basically also a factor which affects farm record keeping. The farmer's knowledge and skills of record keeping practices, the technical know-how, and willingness to adopt new tools is also a factor. Time and labor constraints associated with daily farm activities and labor availability can pose challenges in maintaining comprehensive and up-to-date farm records. Lastly, concerns regarding data privacy, security, and the potential misuse of sensitive farm information can influence farmers' decisions regarding record keeping. While farm records offer numerous benefits, certain constraints may impede their effective implementation, and these include factors basically like the lack of awareness and education, limited financial resources, perceived complexity due to lack of technical know-how, data management and analysis. Moving on to digital farm management applications. These include applications which have revolutionized the way farmers maintain and manage their records. They are accessible on laptops and smartphones, and they provide a range of features and benefits that surpass conventional manual farm record keeping methods. They basically help with record keeping, planning and decision making, task management, inventory management, financial management, data analysis and reporting. Some advantages of digital farm management applications over conventional management farm record keeping include the ease of use and accessibility, the time efficiency, accuracy and data integrity, real-time data insights, data integration and analysis, collaboration and communication. In all, digital farm management applications enable information sharing among team members, advisors, and other stakeholders. This improves communication and coordination, enhancing overall farm efficiency. In conclusion, farm records play a vital role in modern agricultural management, aiding in decision-making, performance monitoring, resource allocation, and compliance. Various types of farm records capture essential information related to finances, products, fields, crops, livestock, and markets. While factors like farm size, technology, knowledge, time constraints, and data security influence record keeping, constraints such as lack of awareness, resource limitation, and complexity can pose challenges. By overcoming these constraints, farmers can harness the power of farm records to optimize their operations, enhance productivity, and achieve long-term sustainability in agriculture. Thanks for watching to this point. I hope you found value in the information so far. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel to stay informed anytime a new video is out.